Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Annalisa Verdin Turo. I am 35 years old. I am a high school graduate. I have three brothers and two sisters. I am the second of the family.
Are you single?
Yes.
Do you have kids?
No.
Okay, so please tell me about your working experience before as a housemaid or a domestic helper.
I have working experience in Hong Kong. First is in Meifu. I worked for 8 years. I serve 4 members of the family. I do cooking, cleaning, car washing, and I also send the kids to school, especially if they have school activities. And my second employer is in Taipo. I also do take care of a 1-year-old child. I do prepare the bathing. I also do cooking, car washing, cleaning.
Okay, so in your first employer, how old are the kids?
The kids are 6 years old and 8 years old.
In the second employer, it is how old?
1 year.
You mean you arrive there, the baby is still on for delivery?
Yes, sir. The baby, when I arrived there, the baby is only 2 months. But I worked there until the baby is 1 year and 4 months. And my employer decided to release me because of the miscommunication of the popo. Because the popo don't know how to speak English and she cannot also understand English.
So you're terminated?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so there is a 1 year, you work there 1 year and
4 months.
4 months. Okay. So if do you know how to taking care of newborn baby?
I have idea of taking care of newborn baby, sir.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I have to check the diaper, and then after that, feed the milk, and lastly is I have to check the temperature.
Okay, do you know how to bath the baby?
Yes, sir.
What do you need to prepare?
I will prepare lukewarm water to bath the baby and also the soap for the baby, and then all the things that needed, the towel, and
What do you need to be careful when during taking a bath of the baby?
yes, sir. I need to be careful of the ears so that the water will not go inside the ears and also the eyes of the baby.
Okay. So if there is a children or if the kid is very naughty, do you have a long patience for them?
Yes, sir.
Why do you want to come in Hong Kong again?
I want to come in Hong Kong again because I want to save for my future and I want to help my parents especially for their daily needs. And then I want also to help my brother finish in studying college.
Do you have planning to get married soon?
Not yet, sir. Maybe I don't know when, but for this time, I still wanted to save for the future.
Okay, are you scared dogs and cats?
Yes, sir. But I have experience before in Meifu. I do take care of a cat.
In your first employer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in Hong Kong, of course, you feel some homesick. How can you avoid it?
If I feel homesick, sir, I would just think that I work for my future and I want to help my family and my parents, so I don't feel the homesick. And I work since I was 19 years old in Manila, so I get used of being away from it.
Okay, very good. Can you sing a song for the baby?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Do you have any allergy?
No.
What food can you cook? Do you cook Chinese food?
Yes, sir. I do cook Chinese food.
What are those Chinese food that did you cook before in your employer?
The steamed fish, the corn soup, the steamed minced pork, the steamed tofu with the minced pork, and then the broccoli with the shrimp,
So do you love cooking?
Yes, sir. Especially if I am also willing to learn other dishes, especially if have the cookbook or the recipe book.
Okay. So and then, do you have any tattoo in your body?
No, sir.
Okay. Are you willing to car washing without extra pay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
Hi to my future employer. Hi to hire me. I am honest, understanding, and I can work under pressure. And
Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
yes, sir. I promise to finish my contract.
At this time, how long did you plan to work in Hong Kong?
I plan as long as the employer will need me, I will work for my family.
Okay, thank you. See you in Hong Kong.
Thank you.